Welcome Colortoon Paradise, today drawing simple and cute ice cream.
Draw the cone. Start with a V shape for the cone. Draw a curved line on top to form the cone opening. Add cross lines inside the cone to create the waffle pattern. Draw the ice cream scoops. Draw 3 large circles stacked on top of the cone. Add wavy drip lines at the bottom of each scoop to show melting ice cream. Draw the cone. Draw a long V shape for the cone. Add crisscross lines to create the waffle pattern. Draw the ice cream scoops. Draw 3 circles stacked on the cone. Draw a striped wafer stick on the top left side. Add cute faces. On the bottom to scoops, draw 2 small black oval eyes.